Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, again, we are going to discuss a new topic. Yes, the series will be same, how to make money, but here we are going to discuss a new terminology that is all about your balance transfer. So people are from the same background, somebody from the financial institute, somebody from the banking industry. They'll be definitely knowing about this terminology, what is all about this balance transfer. So in details, we have already discussed in other video. So you can watch this balance transfer video, and then you can come back to this video because here we are not going to discuss what is all about balance transfer. The fundamental, the definition, the advantage of balance transfer that we have discussed even in that video. But here we are going to discuss somebody, let's say already they are having a loan, any kind of loan, any such kind of loan, existing loan with any existing bank, any financial institute. How they are going to make money by transferring their existing amount to the new even bank itself. And that is all about your balance transfer and how to make money. So coming back to our topic, people already even they have already taken a loan. Let's say if I have taken a loan, any kind of home loan, any kind of, let's say, personal loan, any kind of related other loan, if I'm talking, let's say I'm just giving any example. I'm not specifying that what exactly loan I have already taken. So if I'm paying, let's say, around 10% rate of interest already, even some XYZ organization, XYZ even bank, XYZ even financial institute. So let's say I'm just paying, let's say, on an average, let's say for my 10 years, for my 15 years, for my 20 years, whatever the 10 year I'm going to pay. So let's say I'm going to pay, let's say, around 50,000 is my EMI based on my 10% rate of interest, XYZ amount, whatever I'm going to pay to the bank. So there is the current scenario, my existing loan. Now, what exactly balance transfer is going to happen and how you're going to make money out of this. So first of all, as I told you, so fundamental, you can watch that video and then you come back about this balance transfer. Now here if I do, let's say if my existing loan, so let's say when I started, if I'm talking, let's say 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 years, so definitely whatever existing amount I have taken that time. So let's say I started this loan, let's say around 50 lakhs. I'm just giving an example. This is on a example side, we are just counting. So 50 lakhs definitely by end of this 5 year, maybe it will be 45 lakhs, or maybe it will be 47 lakhs, or maybe it will be 48 lakhs. I'm just giving a rough example. So let's say for calculation, it will be 45 lakhs. Now this is my existing amount which came down from my 50 lakhs. What exactly I started with this financial institute. And now this 45 lakhs I'm going to pay, I'm going to transfer to a new bank. Now, here is a question. Why I need to change? As I told you, so existing 45 lakhs, let's say whatever I'm paying for the existing bank, let's say on a 10% rate of interest, let's say I'm just paying 50,000 as a EMI. So up to here we are clear. My loan amount is 50 lakhs. Now it is coming down on 45 lakhs. EMI I'm paying for 50,000. Let's say over a period of 20 years, which is rate of interest 10%. So up to here we are clear. This is my existing data. This is my existing scenario. Now if I change this to a new bank, or let's say to a new financial institute, what I'm going to get, the first and foremost thing, the rate of interest I'm going to get a little bit cheap. So let's say in spite of 10%, let's say that particular financial organization is going to offer me, let's say, around 9%. So how much I'm going to save? It is 1%. But this 1% is going to give you a real impact, a big impact on even your even EMI, on even on your tenure, and definitely that is going to change your entire even money. So let's say, so 10% now it is coming down to 9%. In spite of 20 years, now I'm going to make it, let's say, around 15 years. So how much I'm going to save? 1%, another even 15 years, right? So if I'm going to take this existing, so 15% already I'm saving. Not only this, on my total, so you have to calculate on this such a way. So let's say over a period of time, my existing loan, what exactly I have taken 50 lakhs, and that I'm going to pay off, let's say, to the bank even around 1 crore on a rate of interest 10% over a period of 20 years. That is coming down 15% straight away. It is around, let's say, 85 lakhs. But definitely all you have now 45 lakhs. So 45 lakhs existing, if you are again, if you are keeping there, So definitely you are going to get even more, even let's say you are going to save even more money on this. So that is the point number one. So you are going to save your entire capital. Second, rate of interest in spite of 10%, if you are going to save even 1%, so definitely you are also going to pay a little bit lesser EMI. So in spite of 50,000, let's say, I'm just giving an example, let's say around 45,000 now I'm going to pay. So 45,000 if I'm going to pay, so how much I'm going to save? It is all about your 5,000 each month over a period of time. It is over a period of year, it is 60,000, and that you can calculate. So almost how much money I'm going to save. And finally, not only this, not only capital, not only your interest, you are also even going to save your entire 10 years, because where you're supposed to pay even over a period of, let's say, 20 years, now you can finish this loan, let's say, over a period of 15 years. So that also you're going to save, because you are not even having the liability for entire 20 years. Now you are having the liability only for the 15 years. So my capital, my interest, and my 10 years. All 3 years I can even make money. And that saving amount, what you are going to do, you are going to save this money, and that you are going to invest to any other tool, as we have already discussed a lot of other tools. And what you can do, you can let your money grow again on a 2x, 4x, or maybe 5x, or maybe 10x, based on your tool, based on your even kind of financial tool, what you're going to invest, what set of returns you are going to get, and that way you are going to make even another money. So your loan is same, your amount is same, you're going to change just the bank, you're just going to change your entire even balance to a new even bank itself, and that is going to change your entire even portfolio, and you are going to save your money. So sounds good? Definitely. As I told, always welcome to my chat box, always welcome to my mailbox. Any further discussion, any kind of additional discussion if you want, without any promotion of the product or service, yes, I'm always available with my 20 plus years experience to help you, and that is going to be helpful for you. I'll be the happiest one. Thanks. Thanks for watching.